Hello investors. So in this video we will learn about the cycles of bull and bear market and how bull market is usually longer than the bear market. तो जैसे आपको पता ही है कोविड के लो से एक बुल मार्केट चली थी टू सितंबर 2024 which was a big bull market in terms of both the time period and the returns in the broader market and on the Nifty and Sensex level. And after that, from September 2024 to till now, 21 months have been passed, and currently market is in consolidation. And we think there is enough catalyst for starting of the next bull run. So by understanding what is a bull cycle and a bear cycle, and third being the consolidation cycle. So when we know in which phase of the market we are in, we can take advantage of that. तो नॉर्मली कभी भी जब बुल मार्केट चल रही होती है तो हर इन्वेस्टर को ये लगता है ये चलती रहेगी और वो एक यूफोरिया हो जाता है। और बियर मार्केट में उसका कंप्लीटली ऑपोजिट होता है कि प्राइसेस फॉल होते हैं और एवरी इन्वेस्टर इज इन डिस्पेयर। एंड थर्ड कंसोलिडेशन फेज में कोई ना रिटर्न बनता ना लॉस की प्राइस फॉल होता। जब हम इन साइकिल्स को समझेंगे तो बुल मार्केट में हम एक राइट टाइम पे एग्जिट ले पाएंगे क्योंकि हमें पता है कि एक साइकिल है, एट अ गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ये एंड होगी। प्लस बियर मार्केट में जब डिस्पेयर होता है तो हमें पता है कोई अच्छी कंपनी है उसको वो वैल्यूएशन नहीं मिल रही है क्योंकि अभी मार्केट साइकिल साइकिल चल रही है। तो हम उस टाइम पे उस स्टॉक को एक्यूमुलेट कर सकते हैं। प्लस सेम स्ट्रेटेजी वी कैन डिप्लॉय इन द कंसोलिडेशन फेज। तो जब हम साइकिल्स को समझेंगे तो हम एक बेटर इन्वेस्टर बनेंगे। और प्लस अगर आप इन पास जाओगे तो बुल रन्स आर लॉन्गर एंड लॉन्गर एंड बियर रन्स यूजुअली लास्ट मंथ्स और years shorter than the bull run. So when we look at the history, you can see that bear market is shorter than the bull market, and the current 21 month phase is you can say is the shortest bear market we are in, or consolidation phase we are in. So what we can learn from this is that these are cycles. Currently, we are going through a consolidation phase plus a minor bear cycle. So, what we should do in this is to accumulate the stock that we like, and sooner or later, bull run will come, and it will be longer than the current consolidation phase. So, in this slide, I will explain why. I am saying it is a consolidation plus a minor bear phase because at the index level, as you can see, the fall was 16% from September to April 2025, and it stopped short of minus 20% to declare it a bear market. And after that, it recovered also to the highs of January 2026. And after that, it has been fallen 8% from there. So in all, in 21 months, roughly, index level is minus 8% plus sideways move. So at index level, you can say it is a consolidation level, but as you can also feel that at a portfolio level, the mid cap and small cap, there has been a steep correction, close to 40-50% at many stocks levels. So at index level, it is a consolidation phase, but at portfolio of many investors, it feels like a bear market. तो अब हमें यही देखते हुए कि इस बियर और कंसोलिडेशन फेज को 21 मंथ्स हो चुकी है, हम आने वाले टाइम और जो कैटलिस्ट है कि ये टर्न होने वाला है वो इसकी तरफ इशारा कर रहे हैं। तो हम इस फेज में अपनी जो अच्छे स्टॉक है उसको कंसोलिडेट करें टू टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ बुल मार्केट। तो हम इस स्लाइड में ये समझेंगे कि हम इस फेज से क्यों निकले, क्योंकि the shocks kept arriving before the last one had cleared. So India was and is the fastest growing economy. So all the positives of government incentives and policies was behind the stock market. So there was not many reasons for this long-gated consolidation phase. But what happened was shocks kept arriving before the last one cleared. So first the tariff shocks of US arrived, then there was SII or outflows because of the tax structure of the government, plus the rotation because of AI play. There is no AI play in India. Plus, this year Iran US war happened, and in all of this, there was earnings downgrade because of all the shocks that was kept coming. So all these prolongated the consolidation phase. And in the next slide, we will talk about that these negatives are no longer in the play, and there is catalyst to be seen and for the bull market to begin. तो इस स्लाइड में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि जो करंट कंसोलिडेशन प्लस माइनर बियर मार्केट चल रही है ब्रॉडर मार्केट में, दिस इज इन इट्स लास्ट लेग. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है अर्निंग्स बॉटम. तो फ्रॉम अक्टूबर 2025 के बाद के आप क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स देखोगे तो दे वर हायर एंड बेटर देन द प्रीवियस क्वार्टर. सो देयर इज द डाउन साइकिल हैज slowed down and it was the last best quarter in the broader market. And there is RBI easing, so these cutting of the rates helps the valuation in the market. And in this 21 month consolidation, the valuation of so many stocks has pulled down. So the froth in the valuation has also come off. So one of the biggest reason for this consolidation to be prolonged was geopolitical escalation. And as you know, it has been declared a peace deal, and the crude has also eased back, which was a big problem from India from for many reasons. FII selling has also matured, as if you see that what FII used to sell in a day, it has slowed down. Plus, there has been steady buying also. And to top it all, the SIP flows to the DII is steady and it is absorbing the supply. So in all, we think we can take advantage of the current cycle, which is a consolidation cycle, and add on our stock because the next leg of bull market is around the corner. So from this presentation, the key takeaway is that this 21 months is a correction, not a structural bear market, and this down phase is a short one. And as we have talked about in the previous slide, all the condition to proceed for next bull cycle is lining up. So this is not a time for prediction, this is a time for preparation. And हमें लगता है कि आपको अपने जो अच्छे स्टॉक्स लगते हैं उसको ऐड अप कर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि दिस इज द टाइम टू गो ऑल इन.